Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video, this is some skillet potatoes. It's a pretty straightforward, simple recipe, like mine all pretty well. But anyways, I start off with my potatoes there, put them in the little cubes, about a die size. And then I chop my onions up, just a rough chop on them. Mix those together, then I'll add in my seasonings here and stir them, combine them, and then it's about 2 tablespoons of butter there that I'll start out cooking the potatoes and onions with, and I'll cook them on the stove top about 10 minutes just to start the cooking process and start the flavors blending well together. And then I'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes, I'd say, or until just the potatoes are fork tender. And then it's just serve and eat. It's a good side dish. It goes with a lot of different things. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.